की खूब और का बातें से टीवी ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
News na menchua ke True North Leisure Center kelas dang kumno ban kintiu yaga kam Jngi hakaniga jilla daga bas dang ban seng naga Jaka Jngi kai Jngi hamishin compound haga swimming pool ka bas aat ka mentapat klanang penyara yakaniga kam daga bas seng zaga wepat ka swimming pool ka behe Lapalang keberan ringkat bat ke gym bat yakaniga swimming pool ka ba Jngi kai Jngi keblatim kumga True North Fitness Center and Swimming Academy lapli pat ba rumindirang ba ka jilla u Conrad ke sangma haka janme jong arpusan trek ukla lingkot arachar arpusan haga diga jingalang umindirang ba uloong bamar sindrung uklet yaladi budan Shillong namal ba ka jinglong jonganiga Jaka ka pher ba ula jingaro yakaniga kinhon ka baseng yakaniga swimming pool baruloong bakaniga deiru senyang bakraw yaga jilla ban kintiu ikikam sports barkanya rapru iki samna jonga jilla bikinyo pintibit shosho yaladi naga binta ka national games Ulapin pau jing sngo komen baling ba ka CM elevate nalawan pinyar ikikam jong ka True North bakan long kumni kumbakalong kumban chukadaw hangni baga True North kalala ban say yo Gary Lamare unang Meghalaya ban ningkong ban kiu shaklir jo ulum Everest hagani ga jingalang Plie laidan lang kinoy lam shnong jong Lapalang pergi he sarkar jang jilla Meghalaya
When I entered this place, I almost forgot that I'm in Shillong. And the kind of quality, the kind of importance and focus on details, the quality of the infrastructure, and what really made me stand up and listen was the passion of the team that is running and had started this project. And the results that we see in front of us, I think is a great example of what we can achieve if we put our heart and soul into what we believe. And I really want to congratulate the team of True North. I think true to the word or the name of the company, True North, and I'm guessing North means the top. So it's really a top class institute and a fitness center. So I congratulate Gary and congratulate the entire team for all the efforts they have put in. And I think is correctly mentioned by Gary that you will be transforming lives from this place. And therefore there's a huge responsibility and expectation. And the difficult part starts now. Because now you will be shaping, the future of the young sports persons, the young swimmers. And I think that's a big responsibility that you have. So I wish you the very best, and we are always there to support in every possible way to make sure that this particular swimming institute and fitness center should become one of the best, not just in our state, but in the entire region of the northeast part of India. Very firm believer of enterprise, entrepreneurship, and community, people, entrepreneurs, government working together. And we have shown this not just in terms of the speeches we give, but all the actions that we have done in the past 7 years in multiple projects. I don't want to list down the projects. We have always made an effort to combine and work together, whether it is with the community, whether it is with entrepreneurs, whether it's with different religious groups, or whether if it is with self-help groups, farmer-producer groups, so on and so forth. And therefore this model, I should say, which of course reflected in the speech and the article of the Honorable Union Minister, which came out a couple of days back, where she wrote about the community-based overall economic development model that we are following, is today transforming the lives of the people in our state and becoming, in a way, a model for other states to also follow. We have released 146 crores to our entrepreneurs, including the 1 crore for this project. And my target is that in the next 2 to 3 years, we must touch 20,000 entrepreneurs, and we must ensure that over 500 crores should be made available for different enterprises to start their business. And I take this opportunity to encourage our youngsters. You must instill the values of entrepreneurship. The fire inside you must be there to take that risk. I must congratulate Gary for taking that risk. Sometimes we don't want to take that risk. But trust me, in life you have to sometimes have that leap of faith. Yes, it has to be calculated risk, but risk it must. And at the same time, you have to work hard for it. Nothing comes easy in life. You have to work hard.
Wat penleno yakni kakabu ki sopti tho ki babha bat shongdor nadu sa po hajar hadu hnriu po hajar tingka menta phila banyo hagador lai po hajar tingka ya ki sopti tho ba shongdor hinyo po hajar chaneng phinyo tang san po hajar tingka tang kata ka wei ka sopti ka de ka wei ka design tang na ka binta jongphi wan jet nok loi na molai moro bat na mot pran pho no menta hau khandai saw lai hnriu san pra hinyo lai pra